Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After Friday's sharp drop that extended into the weekend, Bitcoin is now showing a slow, measured recovery. Price consolidated near 108,500 through most of Saturday, briefly pushed to 109,300, but met resistance and retraced back to 108,500. Even so, I expect an upside resolution soon, possibly late Sunday or into Monday, though recent week starts have tended to lean bearish. My earlier view that August would be a consistently positive month in historical upcycles hasn't played out, which also challenges the idea that September must always be negative. With potential of Fed rate cut on the horizon, this September could get differently than past cycles. Looking beyond Bitcoin, altcoins show oversold conditions deeper than anything since the 2020 C-dump, earlier bear markets, and even all the way back to 2017. Historically, extremes like these revert, with RSI eventually rising. The market is breathing after all. This suggests the market cycle still holds significant energy, though opinions differ across the community. 2 hours ago, a notable move occurred. The same large holder who previously shifted thousands of Bitcoin to a decentralized platform deposited another 1,000. Their exact intention is unknown, but such weekend transfers often fuel volatility. Another signal comes from short-term holder behavior. Realized gains versus losses show capitulation increasing. The spent output profit ratio for short-term holders has dropped below 1, meaning many are selling at a loss. Repeated rejections near their break-even points add pressure, hinting at weaker short-term stability. Turning to the heat maps, the 3-day chart shows a target near 112,200. On the weekly view, a broader zone begins at 113,500 and stretches toward 117,000. Downside liquidity appears limited, with most concentrations stacked above current levels. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with notifications on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.